I feel alone like all the time. Um, but I think that's normal and I think that's a part of the university experience. Hi, I'm Cody. I am a university student. I'm in 5th year. I'm doing a double major in neuroscience and psychology, so that's very human behavior focused and trying to get at like the psychological processes or the neurological processes underpinning social behaviors or behavioral disorders. I'm in my 5th year because I primarily wanted to increase my GPA, but I also need like distinction credits, and I just fell into neuroscience officially in my 5th year. I was in human biology previously. I completed all courses necessary for that major, but neuroscience has been something I've been completing throughout the past 5 years anyway. So I switched over to neuroscience officially my last year, and I've taken all my neuroscience courses as of now. I think that I just want to start vlogging. It's so stupid. I currently have an exam tomorrow. It's worth, I think, like 27% or something. It's embryology. I'm so behind in like everything. I have 7 lectures so far that we've done. It's 4 hours of lecture a week. So I have 7 lectures to tackle right now. I have failed to watch 2 of them, the last 2, so I haven't seen that. Don't know what it's about. My exam is tomorrow at 1 p.m., which is gonna be fun. I'm not ready for it at all. Obviously, I always think about doing absence declaration, saying about like a personal emergency, but you're only allowed to do that once a semester. So I don't know if I'm going to use that right now. This is literally the 5th week, so I think I need to study it. I look like such a fucking nerd. Okay. I'm recording on my phone microphone and my monitor. You can see what the fuck I'm doing. Anyways, what I want to show you is how I kind of solidify my syllabi or my syllabus in each course. So I have everything kind of holistically combined here in a cumulative overview of what's happening. I dropped this course and I didn't get a refund anyways. So you can kind of see that I have lectures, assignments, quizzes, all in this document. I think it's really important to have something you can keep track of. You can see these courses that I'm taking right now. Anatomy is a full year course. And we're doing visceral systems right now, which is literally just your internal organs and systems like that. I'm doing statistics right now just so I have some type of mathematical competency in terms of like research. And I think it's really important. Same theory here in this course. I just want better mathematical literacy. So I'm taking a psychometrics course. This is I don't even know what to say about this course. It is insanely heavy. It is in the anatomy division. Embryology is the study of fetal and embryonic development and formation. So we covered up to here. So 8 lectures so far. I have not seen staging and embryonic folding. I haven't seen these 2 lectures for whatever reason. My midterm is tomorrow, 27%. And I'm missing about, I guess, 2.5%. But anyways, so this is embryology. This is how I have everything set up. I don't know why this is here, but no worries. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that. What else can I show you? Ooh, this, I don't think I can show you this, but this is like 1,000 million columns in this thing, and you would not want to see it. It's so sad. How do I end this? All right, we're in bed now. I successfully completed all of my Anki cards. I completed like 800 today. It only shows up that like I studied for like 2 hours or something, but that's not true. But I'm feeling okay for tomorrow to do a run through of what is being tested. Intraembryonic development is, I'm actually a little too tired for this. So right now I'm gonna watch Family Guy until I pass out, and then I'm gonna wake up and study some more. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning. Hi. As I sleep, it's like 8 o'clock now. I slept for like 8-9 hours. Still feel really fucking tired. But let's get the day started. The plan for today is do more Anki revision. It's number one. And then if I have time, I will review the 2 slide decks I have yet to see. And then I will head over to the exam center at 1. So let's get started. So, I successfully completed all of my Anki cards. I think it was like 400 or something. And I am ready to tackle this exam. My exam is in 30 minutes from now. I'm going to take you to the exam center. But to give you a little overview of what embryology is and really just the first stages of embryology, we covered gametogenesis, which is the production of gametes from primordial germ cells. So these are like your sex cells. That would be spermatocytes in the genetic male and oocytes in the genetic female. So we covered spermatogenesis and oogenesis, sperm transit, oocyte transit, and then fertilization. From there, we did intraembryonic development. So that would be the development of fetal tissues like the embryonic proper, the amnion, so on and so forth. And then we did extraembryonic development, which is the development of maternal tissues, but the proper way to say that politically would be the carrying person, because maternal insinuates that it is the mom, and that's not always the case for every pregnancy, you know, because there could be surrogates and they may not identify female. Like, there's so many different things. So carrying person's tissues. From there, we did a clinical case study of contraceptives available. So that would be like emergency contraceptives, hormonal contraceptives, non-hormonal contraceptives, sterilization procedures, natural ways to prevent pregnancy, such as fertility tracking. And then we also had a guest lecture in stem cells, more specifically neural stem cells. So, you know, just looking at like differentiation assays, pluripotency, totipotency, multipotency, bipotency, stuff like that. And, you know, it's really just the development of these tissues, you know. So we studied the bilaminar disc formation, which is an intraembryonic structure, and then gastrulation, converting that into a trilaminar disc structure. And that is literally the tissues that we are today, right? We have the ectoderm, mesoderm, and then endoderm. And I don't mean to digress, but I am so ready for this fucking exam. So let's head over. Okay, so I'm back from the exam. It was I wasn't fully prepared for it. I was so happy going into it and naive. But you know what? It's over. I've completed 27% of the grade in this stupid fucking course. There were just some questions from, I suppose, the last 2 lectures that I didn't review, so that's on me. I can't bitch and complain about it. Why is this so high? Why is it crooked? You know, that's over, you know, and just to like kind of like give context, you know, embryology is a course that you have to take in medical school, you know, and the course that I am taking right now, if I were to enter medical school, I would be exempt from retaking this course because it's the exact same course. It has graduate students in the course right now. It is literally the same thing as the medical school course, embryology. So I would have been exempt if I were to do med school, but my GPA is not there. You know, I sit at a 3.3, which, you know, I've actually guilt tripped myself so much into thinking a 3.3 is bad. It's not that bad. It really isn't. Like, I'm a B plus student. It's not a 4.0, but it's not the worst thing ever. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end the video now. There's Divorce Court in the background. It's like my favorite fucking show in the world. But I have to do another assignment. I'm doing a research paper on mental rigidity or cognitive flexibility. Cognitive flexibility is something that you develop when you are a child. You know, like 0 to 10 years old, you should be developing cognitive flexibility and theory of mind, which is knowing that other people have thoughts that are different from your own thoughts, you know, and people have different beliefs. And a lot of people don't understand that as adults. You know, adults don't take on theory of mind, and I am seeing mental rigidity more and more every day. You know, people are so inflexible. You know, people have these polarized views, and I want to get at, you know, what the fuck is going on with these people's thick skulls, you know what I mean? But if you look at even the 5-factor model of personality, OCEAN, openness to experience, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism, actually, above those 5 personality traits, there are 2. It's a hierarchical structure where above these 5 personality traits, there is either stability or malleability, you know, so people on the stability spectrum present with the same personality in so many different fucking situations and environments. But malleability is where you're changing your personality in response to your environment, you know, and that's where I am kind of, and I think that's what is normal, you know, to change your personality in the different environments that you occupy. Obviously, the personality you're bringing to a bar scene is different from what you're bringing to school or to the workplace setting. You know, you are more relaxed and then more professional. I have met some people who just have this stability. They're the same person in all these different contexts, and I think it's so tone deaf and stupid. And I think it literally is insight into some sort of social deficit. But knowing that those are actually 2 different types of personality styles, there's stability or malleability to one's social situation, I want to get more at what the fuck is going on over here with this stability and people's ineptitude to change given the situation that they're in. So I want to examine that. So that is my research paper in the psychometrics course that I'm taking right now that I showed you previously. So I'm going to go do that now. I'm going to end the video here. This literally was just about a midterm, this whole fucking video, but you know, this is a point in my life, and I realize that I'm kind of presenting like studious and conscientious. Those aren't necessarily like personality traits or what I would say I am as a person. It's just something I'm currently going through and forced to do. Like, obviously, I'm taking so much time studying, but this isn't like volitionally. Like, I'm not saying, oh, I want to do all this. It's something that I'm being forced to do. So I think that kind of changes the optics of me not being a nerd, but I'm just doing what I'm supposed to do. That's it. So I am gonna go meet up with a friend. But after that, I will do my assignment. So thank you for watching. Okay, bye.